Hi, my name is Ehsan, and this is my last video for LAX activity. I'm from group 302, metric card number 177390. So for our last agenda, our weekly schedule, for our individual video, we are required to talk about two major things, which are what can I do to improve future comic strip production, and what have I done so far. So first and foremost, let's discuss about what have I done so far. For this last two meeting, week 5 and week 6, we've come up with the idea again of using misconception in English as our main topic. So only this time we decided to go with something that's very close to Malaysians, a mistake that we all usually do. We emphasize on the importance of using English correctly in terms of the semantics and everything. So this week again, I'm in charge of the storyline, but however, half of it was also contributed by my group members. But seeming that we have problems last week, so we decided to do the comic strip earlier, because we didn't want the Edmodo and the whole internet problem to occur again, because it would be quite troublesome for Miss Azura as well. So what have I done so far this week is basically try to produce the storyline earlier, which I did. Yay me. And another thing is this week I did help in rearranging our weekly meeting schedule, because I realized that we don't have much of a free time. So if we didn't organize our weekly schedule, we couldn't help but to not do the LAX meeting as early as we always did. But then again, as someone who I feel is also responsible in this group as much as my group leader is, I feel the responsibility to actually gather everyone around as much as they do also, so that we can do the video, the whole meeting and the whole comic process smoothly. So the two main things that I've done so far, again, I would like to emphasize, is me doing the storyline, and me organizing our group's meeting so that everything will run smoothly. The rest is up to my group mate, like Zaril in terms of digitalizing, and Nina in terms of the drawing board and everything, and Ima in charge of the weekly journal. So what do I feel can improve future comic production, which hopefully I really don't want to produce any more comic after this. It's just not my forte. But then again, I really hope that if we do again have something similar to LAX, I would suggest that probably or maybe that each group will have someone that they can someone that they can look up for any tips on how to draw, how to digitalize, because I think that everyone has a good idea. It's just that sometimes when you want to interpret it and you don't have something like Wacom and everything, it doesn't come out nicely, so it's a bit unfair to the idea itself. So I hope that in the future, if I have to produce another comic, or if anybody has to produce another comic for LAX, I hope that we have something, a synchronized app probably, that will help us digitalize or draw the comic easier, because obviously we are not artists, but it will help produce the idea better, interpret the idea better, and translate the idea better, and save time. So that's what I think would improve comic production in the future. So that would be my individual video. Thank you very much. I'm sorry again, Miss Azura, if our group in the 6 weeks of time have been submitting late for our assignments and everything. Hope to see you again around campus at BMK probably. Okay, see you soon.